Let's talk about brake switches. Many of you have had to replace it, pulled it out to check it. You know what a pain in the butt it is. Some of you haven't, so here, let me share with you. It is way up here behind the brake pedal where you can almost see it and kind of feel it. I've got a brake pedal out here so we can show you what's going on. This is mounted inside the truck there, up like this. Brake pedal down. This right here is where the switch goes. So I'm going to hold it kind of like that. Now your switch can be either a 4-wire or a 6-wire connector. If you've got the 4-wire, that means the other two controls are coming from your ABS system. So it's a little more advanced van than the 6-wire system. This one I'm working on here today, the iCar soft was showing me the brake switch not opening. It was always closed. The brake lamp switch would come on, but the brake switch would not. So pulled that out, and this is how you do it. See this little tab over here? So it was in here like this. All right, so this is how it's sitting in your van. No doubt many of you got up in there and tried to twist it this way and that way and not really been able to figure it out. It's this little tab right here. You gotta push that tab in so it misses right here. See where that's moving? Oh my goodness, my thumbnail is dirty. Been working on cars. So you gotta push that in and then rotate it up this way. And if you can do that with your hand up inside there, that's a wonderful thing. Then that slides right out. You'll see one notch is bigger than the other notch. So it's got to turn the right way. This tab has to turn upward. Then when you go to put it back in, all of this extra circle around here is a spring pressure. So you have to push it in there pretty tight and rotate it this way. And of course, you can't get your hand up there to do that very well. So it helps to know what you're trying to do. Good luck. This is the 4-wire switch. This is the 6-wire switch. And this is Buttercup. The smaller switch comes in a bigger box because they hate me. I don't know why. Figuring out which one is on your van shouldn't be too hard. You guessed it, one has 6 wires going to it, the other one only 4 wires.
Handlebars.
And this is Buttercup on her scooter.
Handlebars. Sit. Sit on the seat. Sit. 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 Sit pretty. Good job. Look at Daddy.